Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, I am super excited to be showing you the super popular Vacationer 35K. Now this motorhome measures 36 feet 3 inches. It does have the 7.3 liter V8 and the big 22.5 inch tires. What I love about this motorhome is standard. It does come with full body paint, which looks phenomenal. TV on the outside, and you have these awesome aluminum slam latch doors, which gives you the most pass through. All right, coming on into the inside of the Vacationer, you can see that you have a nice cockpit area with a hide-aloft bunk over the cab. Coming over here, we do have a beautiful living room area. This dinette, it drops down to make a bed, and I love how you have cabinetry all the way around. Over here into the living room, you have a sofa that is directly across from the TV entertainment center. No turning your head sideways. And then to wrap up the living room area, a beautiful kitchen, solid surface countertops with a very nice window right there. Coming on down the side here, we do have a half bathroom. Very nice. And then to wrap up the master bedroom is this, a king size bed on the slide out, storage above it, TV entertainment center, and right here it is prepped for a combo washer and dryer. And then back here in the master bathroom, we do have a nice one-piece fiberglass shower, plenty of medicine cabinet space, and your toilet space right there. Thank you guys, absolutely everybody, so much for watching this quick 2-minute tour. My name is Matt, and if you want to see this whole review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you're interested in buying one of this unit, just fill out the info in the form down below, and one of our motorhome specialists will get in contact with you. Doesn't matter where you live in the United States. Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching. We'll see you next time.